just trying to decide what kind of brush will I take. Yeah, I'm looking for this guy. It's my small bird. Okay. One step lighter. This is too small a brush. This guy. I have started a Patreon so that if you enjoy this journey and want to support me and the channel, you now can. Your support helps me keep producing these detailed videos and keep the old masters' traditions alive for today's artists. If you are an artist yourself and sometimes feel stuck in your own process, I also offer a special Patreon tier where you can join me once a month for a private one-on-one coaching session on Zoom. It's a great way to get feedback, ask your questions, and get past those frustrating roadblocks in your own work. Okay, I'm having too much wet paint and I'm making a mess. I have to work with the mole stick. Dark blender. I'm putting a base, a coat, and I will work within that couch to fix my value, my drawings. Bring my canvas down because it's a bit too high for my neck. Make sure. Yeah, let's go. Make sure I don't. Do you see what I'm doing? Separate the lower part of the jumper. Now I need to work here. I need to put the base, because the lightest light of the jumper is here, and then it goes slightly into the shadow. A bit of lensing oil into my white because it's too stiff. trying to turn her little dress, the lower part of the jumper. And we'll work the cord. You have two piles of white, the one that I don't mind getting dirty and another one that I don't want to touch. Stand away. It's a hard edge here. Okay, now I want to do this arm, and we'll see with the book, probably the book, the arm, and that's it for this video vlog.